Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I just did unboxing of this electric chainsaw that I purchased from Temu. So it has come up with this long handle, the saw, and also two 36-volt lithium batteries in order to run the tool. Saw, charger. Let me take this off. So it has got a small screwdriver, two chains, oil and charger, and these two. Okay, fine. So now, and it has also come up with an instruction book. Okay, operation instruction, as you can say. Okay, operating instructions they have given. Okay, for chainsaw, charge the battery, install the chain according to the operation drawing. Okay, fine. Drawing. Okay, remove the battery pack to install, remove logo. Fine. After installation, start the machine with no load and observe the machine runs. Should not be cutting according to the actual cutting situation. First small and then large. Okay, fine. So I'm going to begin with this. So first I'm going to unpack the chain. So in step number 1, we are going to wrap this chain around this. Okay, it should be easy to do. And in step number 2, take the outer cover out. Okay, step number 3, I'm going to put it here, and this is the motor that's going to rotate. So I'm going to wrap this around this. Of course, you need to push it back. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So after you put, you need to there's a screw here. There's a screw. So with the given screwdriver, you need to tighten it. Once you tighten it, you can put this clamp back and tighten it again. So now it is ready to go. Okay, now I'm gonna use it to do some cutting. Now assembling it on the expansion rod is pretty simple. On top, your tool goes, the main saw, without the battery, and the battery goes down. Okay, this is the lock button and this is the operate button. Okay, with this you can unlock it and increase and decrease the size. And now I am ready to use it to cut some tree branches that are coming to my house. So now with the help of this, I am gonna trim some tree branches that are becoming very dangerous coming towards me. You can see those top. Okay, so I'm gonna use this chain and cut them down. Okay, so in this way I could cut some of the tree branches that were coming to me. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.